Hey guys, check out the video of us setting these silos up behind me. It's a really fast time lapse. We did it over 2 days. The first one was crazy. We managed to figure out how we needed to put them up efficiently and safely. The instructions aren't that well laid out. They're pretty basic. We could have hired a crew to come in here and do this, but we decided to do it ourselves. It was kind of fun. Initially, we were just gonna do it with a forklift and a cage on our forks. Our forklift actually didn't go high enough, so we ended up getting a scissors lift, and thankfully we got a scissors lift because that made a world of difference in us setting it up. But after we got that, we still needed the forklift with a cage. After we got everything situated, it was smooth sailing getting these things set up. Now, we did need about 4 or 5 guys to do this. We couldn't have done it without that many people. These silos are giant. I'm surprised we got them up so easy. I was initially nervous to put these things together. It's a big erector set, and I've never played with connects this big. These things are giant, but we got it taken care of. We got it handled. Now we're just waiting on our first load of material. If you guys want to see more of the extrusion process, I'll be doing more videos showing you how we make our conduit. I'll be showing you some of the troubleshooting items we have to go through to make good conduit. I'll also be showing you the things we encounter in manufacturing, some of the problems we encounter and how I come up with the solutions. It's my first time ever setting up these silos. These silos are actually made for, food processing plants for like flour. And recently, in the last 5 or 10 years or so, plastic processors have been using them internally, so you don't have to set up a giant, hard-sided silo on the outside of your building. We have all this room over here on the side of our extrusion machine that we're not using, and so it was perfect for these silos. So now we can get 100,000 pounds of material and get them blown into here, and that'll last us for a while instead of these gaylords you see. Right now we're sucking material out of them, and we have to kind of babysit the machine because we cannot run out of material while we're running. If we run out of material, we got to scrap the reel and start over. And these machines are pretty loud. You can't always hear the alarm going off that tells us when the material is low. We just got our silos up inside our extrusion facility. These things are giant. They were super difficult to put up, but we figured them out. We don't have room for a crane in here. We used a forklift. We used a scissors lift, and we got them up. The first one was difficult. The second one was a lot easier. Nobody got hurt. Let me show you these things quick. These things are 21 foot tall. They're about 12 by 12 feet square. They hold 50,000 pounds of material. We spent a day getting all the plumbing done on the top side. You'll see it over here. See these 2 lines coming over here down the wall. So this is how they fill them. I got everything wired in for the controls to tell the truck driver when these things are full. It's a really simple, rotating switch that moves when the plastic hits it. And it just turns on the buzzer here, turns on a light, but it's really, really simple. They take these caps off. They'll bring in their flexible hose from their semi-truck, and they'll blow it in. And it goes up the wall, over to the ceiling, and then down through the top. And the last thing we have to do is plumb these over to our machines. So these will get plumbed up and over to our extrusion machines, to our vacuum loaders. If you guys want to see more of the extrusion process, I'll be doing more videos showing you how we make our conduit. I'll be showing you some of the troubleshooting items we have to go through to make good conduit. I'll also be showing you, some of the things we encounter in manufacturing, some of the problems we encounter and how I come up with the solutions and how we implement those solutions to make our process better. So stay tuned, subscribe. We'll be having more videos come soon. See you guys.